Welcome back to CodeChef. Have you ever tried adding strings together in a loop and noticed your program getting slower and slower? That's because regular strings in Java are immutable. Every time you change them, Java creates a brand new string in memory. But there's a faster, smarter way to handle strings. And that's StringBuilder, Java's tool for efficient string operations. Think of it like building with Legos. With normal strings, every time you add a block, Java rebuilds the whole tower from scratch. But with StringBuilder, you just add the new block on top. Quick, simple, and memory efficient. In Java, StringBuilder is a mutable class that lets you create and modify strings without constantly making new ones. You can append, insert, delete, or even reverse text, all with lightning-fast performance. And the best part? It's built right into Java's java.lang package, so you don't even need to import it. Let's see StringBuilder in action. We start with StringBuilder SB equals new StringBuilder hello, then we append sb.append. World insert a comma, sb.insert 5 comma, and finally, reverse it with sb.reverse. When we print it, we get, here's what happened step by step. We started with hello, appended world, inserted a comma to make hello world, then reversed it, giving DLROWOLLEH. All of that, done efficiently without creating a single new string object. Here are a few quick tricks with StringBuilder. Delete removes a portion of text. Replace swaps part of the string. Capacity and ensureCapacity help optimize memory when you're working with very large strings. And when you need to convert back to a normal string, just call toString. StringBuilder is perfect when you're modifying strings repeatedly, like in loops, text formatting, or building complex outputs. It keeps your program faster and uses less memory than regular string concatenation. Now, it's your turn. Try the CodeChef problem. Build that string. You'll use StringBuilder to efficiently build and modify strings based on user operations, the perfect way to practice this concept hands-on. Today, you learned that strings in Java are immutable, but StringBuilder is mutable. It lets you modify text efficiently using methods like append, insert, delete, and reverse. And it's your go-to tool for fast, memory-efficient string manipulation. Keep practicing, keep coding, and remember, code. Debug, repeat. Build mastery with CodeChef.